What if the Maratha Empire had developed naval supremacy in the 18th century instead of staying land-based? This single change could have prevented European colonization of all Asia. The Marathas were masters of guerrilla warfare on land, striking fast and disappearing into familiar territory. Imagine that same strategy applied to the seas. Their swift ships would have controlled every trade route from Arabia to Southeast Asia. European trading posts would become impossible to defend against constant naval raids. The British East India Company relied on controlling sea lanes to move wealth from India. Maratha naval power would have cut off that lifeline completely. Their decentralized confederation could have coordinated resistance across the entire Indian Ocean. Unlike centralized empires, you couldn't defeat them by capturing one capital. The spice trade that funded European expansion would have stayed in Asian hands. Without Indian wealth, Britain couldn't have funded its industrial revolution. One naval development could have changed the fate of entire continents.